Well, I'm off to see the wizard, the wonderful wizard of Tom Thumb. Hello, royal family. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. I know mostly everybody got a little cabin fever, because of the quarantine and the, stay in place motion. But always remember, as I stated before, take lemons and make lemonade. So if there's some things that you've been putting off that you wanted to do, start doing those things. Like, I know eventually I was going to start writing cookbooks. So now I'm working on that. Start creating new recipes. Do your spring cleaning. Just relax and get things done. And also, it's good rest for your body and your mind. But anyway, today we are going to do a chocolate peanut butter pie. Yes. And let me just say this, for my channel, I'll just be honest. I love sweets. I love sweets. I'm trying to do better with not eating them, but I can come up with creative ways for sweets in a minute. I'm not much of a meat person, but I am a carb person. I know that's not good either. But anyway, I am getting ready to go to the store to get the ingredients. So when I come back, we're going to do a chocolate peanut butter pie. All right, so get ready. Get ready for this chocolate peanut butter pie. All right, you guys, I'll see you in a few. Okay, here are the ingredients that we're going to need for the chocolate peanut butter pie. We're going to need 1/6 ounce of the Oreo pie crust. We're going to need 3.7 ounce of the Godiva chocolate pudding. Make sure it's the instant pudding that you want to use. Also, an 8 ounce of original Cool Whip. I have 1 tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half of the creamy peanut butter. I also have milk here for the pudding, and I have this little container of Nutella, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do with that. But what I want you to do, I want you to take your pie crust, and I want you to spread the peanut butter on the bottom of the pie crust and on the Godiva chocolate. The directions say 2 cups. We only want to use 1.5 cups of cold milk. Please do not use 2%. Use the full vitamin D milk. All right, let's get this peanut butter spreaded on the pie crust. Get the pudding. Then I'll show you guys what we'll do next. Okay, this is how I want you to spread the peanut butter at the bottom of the crust. And if you can, try to use an offset spatula to do this. I used a spoon, and of course, it started bringing up some of my crust. So try using an offset spatula to put your peanut butter in the bottom of this Oreo pie crust. Next, we're going to go ahead and do the pudding. Remember, 1.5 cups of milk. And since this is instant, we're going to use the beaters. And you want it at a soft peak. And I'll come back and show you once I've done the pudding. Okay, this is the pudding here with the 1.5 cups of milk. Can you guys see that? We're just going to put it on top of the pie shell, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about an hour to let it chill. So let's put this on here. All right, and spread it out. Put the top on it and let it chill for about an hour. Then we'll come back and do the Cool Whip. Okay, can you guys see that? So we're just going to spread it. Okay, for about an hour, and I'll be back. Okay, it has been about an hour since the pie has been in the refrigerator. So what we're going to do, we're going to put this 8 ounce of Cool Whip in the bowl. And you remember, at the bottom of the pie, we use the creamy peanut butter to spread on the pie crust. You know, Miss O, I'm always thinking of something. I wanted some texture in this pie. So what I have here, I'm going to use a tablespoon of crunchy peanut butter. And we're going to add it to this Cool Whip. And we're going to mix it all together. So we're going to get peanut butter at the bottom, and we're also going to get peanut butter at the top. So let me start this, because you guys probably won't be able to hear me. Then I will come back. When I say delicious, when you add that peanut butter to the Cool Whip, oh my Lord, it is so delicious. So delicious. So delicious. All right, and we're just gonna pile this on high. You see how thick it is? And I don't know if you guys can see the peanuts that is in the Cool Whip because of the crunchy peanut butter. So now I have some texture, some crunch, and we're going to put it back in. Probably, I would say 2 hours to put it in and let it really get firm. And you got to remember, we have that little thing of Nutella left. So I really have to show you guys what I'm going to do with that. All right, let's spread this out. Look at that, you guys. I want to see if you can see. Can you see the peanuts in there from the peanut butter? This is going to be so good. All right, let me get it spread out. Let's put it back in the refrigerator. Let's do 2 hours. And when I come back, I will show you the finished products. The finished product. Oh yeah. Okay, you guys, here's the finished product of the Oreo chocolate peanut butter pie. And just a word of advice, if you put it in the freezer for about an hour, it sets faster and it really comes out firm and nice. Let me show you the pie before we take a bite. I want you to see the peanut butter. You see the peanut butter down at the bottom? And what I did, I took some of the Nutella. You remember I told you about the Nutella? I just spooned it in certain areas. Then I took a knife and I just kind of made circles to get that type of topping. And then I took some Oreo cookies, crumbled them up, and put them on top for presentation. It's kind of late for me to be eating this pie, but let's go ahead so I can let you guys see it. Look at that. Can you see that peanut butter right there? All right, here I go with this one bite. That is so delicious, especially with the crunchy peanut butter mixed in the Cool Whip. This is definitely a winner chicken dinner. All right, one more. You guys see that? All right, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe. And until next week, I'll try to come on with a side or meat instead of all of this sugar. All right, you guys stay blessed. And until next week, God bless you.